Welcome! In front of me I have ASUS ROG Phone 5 and Xiaomi Mi 11, and today we are going to make the fingerprint sensor test. We are going to check which one is faster and which one is more reliable. So in both smartphones you can find the sensor on the screen, in the display. And I link this finger and this finger. So let's make it and let's try which one is faster. So let's go. I think that Mi 11 was first. Still Mi 11. To be honest, I think that Mi 11 is winning this battle right now. But you have to tell me also in the comment what you think about that. And as you can see, here we got the problem with the ROG Phone 5. The Mi 11 recognized the fingerprint every time, but in the ROG Phone we got 2 mistakes, so it's not good. But what is interesting, I can tell you that I got the ASUS ZenFone 7 Pro, and there's the same problem with the ASUS, that the fingerprint sensor doesn't work good in this smartphone. So maybe the ASUS got the problem with the sensors. But of course, in the ZenFone 7 Pro you can find the sensor in the right edge, right here, and on the ASUS on the ROG Phone 5 you got it in the display, but definitely it's not the fastest sensor that you can even use, because as you can see the Mi 11 is faster, and what is interesting, then OnePlus 9 Pro it's faster than Mi 11, so but to be honest, they are really fast. But Mi 11 for me it's faster phone. And here we got the problem with the recognize the finger. Still. So here we have to keep holding this finger for longer, because here I can only tap and then put it back and it will be unlocked, but on the ROG Phone I have to keep it a little bit longer. So it looks like this sensor needs more time to read my fingerprint. As you can see, so I can say that definitely the sensor, the fingerprint sensor is better in the Mi 11. This one is fast, but not reliable. It sometimes struggle, and you have to keep your finger for more time on the sensor than in Mi 11. Here we can only tap on it, and it will be unlock phone. So, what you think about this comparison? Tell me in the comment. If you think that I have to improve something, just tell me and I'm going to make it under next video. So your opinion is your feedback is very important for me. And that's it. So if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.